Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your iTunes App Store gift card. So basically what that means is it's basically a gift card which you guys can redeem on your iTunes so you guys can buy music, alright? Because iTunes is the place where you guys can buy music. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that without any further ado. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and let's dive right into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to go to your iTunes store. So this is my iTunes store. So I go to my iTunes store over here. So let's say I want to buy some music over here. There are tons of music over here. So let's say I want to redeem my gift card first to store money into my iTunes so I can buy the music. Basically what I can do is I can go on where it says tones over here. Once I go on tone, there's a redeem button over here, as you guys can see it. What I want to do is I want to click on where it says redeem. After I click on redeem, there's this thing called use camera, which means I can either scan the code using my camera or I can either add it using my hands. By clicking on, you can also enter your code manually. So if you want to scan it, you can use your camera, and if you want to add it manually, you can click on, you can also enter code manually and enter the code of your iTunes gift card. After you enter the correct code, you want to click on where it says redeem over here, and once you click on redeem, you should be able to redeem the code over here. If the code you typed over here is correct, then the code related to the iTunes gift card should be redeemed over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can redeem a gift card. But let's say you guys were not able to redeem the gift card, basically the code you typed was mistake, so make sure to double check it. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. Now by redeeming the gift card, now you guys can buy the music on iTunes. So yeah, that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand, and if you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.